Mitsubishi Pajero Sports 2.5cc. The problem with this car is that when they drive the car and presses the fuel accelerator down to the end but the RPM does not go up to 2000, and due to this problem the car cannot be driven on the highway. The check light is stay on dashboard. Please watch the video how to repair and solve the problem of a diesel engine car. If it has such a problem, then you too can, inshallah. You can understand why the check engine light is on. Scan the computer. AutoLens Scan 3 will use the check engine code. Read fault code p0093 fuel leak problem. Diagnostic trouble code, DTC, p0093 stands for fuel system large leak detected. This p0093 code is triggered once the vehicle's powertrain control module, PCM, detects the possibility of a large fuel leak on the high-pressure side.
First check for diesel leaks in the high-pressure area and repair if any. But there is no diesel leak in the high-pressure area of this car, because the high-pressure area of this car has been checked and repaired. So I would check to see if a leak in the diesel line from the fuel tank to the fuel pump could be causing the problem.
How to check if there is a fuel leak, where does it leak? So watch the full video, you will understand very easily.
How to check low pressure area fuel leak problem solved. This is the pipe where the oil exits the fuel filter pump and enters the fuel pump. Disconnect the diesel outlet pipe from the fuel filter and the diesel inlet hose pipe to the diesel pump. This is the pipe where the diesel comes from the fuel tank and the diesel enters the fuel filter. Disconnect the diesel pipeline from the fuel tank to the fuel filter pump. To see where diesel is leaking, use the white pipe shows the diesel running inside a pipe size between these two pipes 12 mm and other pipe size is 8 mm. I will join the two white pipes coming from the fuel tank and coming out of the fuel filter to the fuel pump inlet. When the two white pipes are joined, start the car engine. Join the two white pipes and press the fuel hand pump if it feels too hard to do to start the engine. After starting the car's engine, diesel is in full view moving from the filter to the fuel pump, but air is mixed with the diesel. The pipe from the fuel tank to the diesel fuel filter shows complete diesel flow. This pipeline is not mixing diesel with air, which means there is no leak in the diesel pipeline from the fuel tank to the filter. If you see air in the pipe from the filter to the fuel pump with diesel, this means there is a leak in the fuel filter. Air from the fuel filter is mixing with the diesel, so check for leaks. 1. Hand pump leak. 2. Leaking fuel filter by loosening. 3. Leaking water fuel indicator sensor. I will remove the fuel filter pump, then check it. Underneath the fuel filter, this diesel leaks the water fuel indicator sensor. Leak the water fuel indicator sensor of my car and check if your car is leaking something else. Now I will open the water fuel indicator sensor and replace it. Open this leaked water fuel indicator sensor like this. This is one new water fuel indicator sensor. Now I will install the new water fuel indicator sensor. While fitting the new water fuel indicator sensor, be careful not to damage the O-ring. Water fuel indicator sensor fitting complete. After then diesel hand pump will be installed. When the fuel filter pump and diesel pipe are all properly installed and complete. When the water fuel indicator sensor installation is complete, press the diesel hand pump on top of the filter to fill the filter with diesel. After fitting everything properly and complete, then I will clear engine code with scan computer, looking again at what engine code faulty code p0093 fuel leak problem. Now I will click here clear the fault code. Fault codes can be when the cleared engine running stop and the ignition switch on. Please confirm the condition of the vehicle, press enter to clear. The commands of clearing fault codes were done. Please read fuel alt again, press enter to continue. OK, done. Clear no fault code. Now I will start the car engine, then check to see if the engine light is off or not. The check engine light is off. Now see if the engine RPM goes above 2000 or not. Now press the fuel accelerator pedal and see if the engine RPM rises above 2000. Now engine RPM goes above 2000, no problem. After changing the fuel filter water fuel indicator sensor, if you see a little air mixed with diesel, press the fuel accelerator pedal and press the fuel filter hand pump, it will clear. No more fuel leaks, so no air mixing with diesel. See, now the air is not mixing with the fuel and there is no problem. Please comment if you understand or have any problem with your car. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel SCS Automotive to be the first to get the next new video uploaded.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.